How to change Squarespace site title. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Squarespace website title. It's gonna be very easy and simple. So first you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can go to account dashboard and then you can choose the website you want to change the title. And after that, you can see this is the dashboard, and then you can go to the website on the left side of the screen, and then you can click edit here to go to website editor. And then if you want to edit the site title, you can just click edit site header, and then you can just click this one. So, and then click this one. And as you can see, this is my site title actually because I have a logo. My site title is gone. So if you want to display the site title, you have to remove the logo. So I'm gonna remove it. Then I'm gonna change it. Maybe uh, this one, just like that. So it will be like this. So you have to understand you cannot add logo if you want the site title on your website. So yeah, you have to also remove the logo from the mobile version. And after that, you can just click save. And then if you want to change the layout of your title, you can just click edit design here. And then you can choose the layout, it's up to you. You can choose whatever you want for the header layout. If you want the title in the center, you can just choose this one. So it's up to you. And after that, maybe you want to change the color. You can change whatever you want. Maybe you want this one for the background. It's up to you. And then if you want to change your title font size, you can just go to site styles here and then go to fonts, this one, and then you can scroll down, go to assign styles, and then as you can see, this is the site title. You can click it, and then you can choose the style. It's up to you if you want to change it. And for the size, you can choose custom. So, or you can just choose the other style size. So let's say if you want to custom, you can adjust it. It's up to you. Maybe you can change it to this one. It's up to you. But I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.